Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Tuesday, August the 16th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our room. The address to get into the room is right here. I share my screen all day long, and I am live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And if you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link to use. Whatever plan you decide to take, you will see a promo code. I'm chuckling. You'll see why. And also, you do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas in order to participate in our room. There's really only one stock to talk about. I will talk about a couple other ones, but this is STEM. Quite unbelievable with what's happened with STEM. It's probably been halted again. This is one actually I read in the pre-market some news about, I guess it's an Israeli company called Microbot taking basically a private company, basically taking them over. And, saw the news, or I didn't actually see the news, that was the only headline that I saw. Actually got an alert on this at, believe it or not, at 46 cents, right from the low floaters on the move, right at 9:30. And I disregarded it. Popped up here, pulled back here, and I'm thinking, well, this is STEM, and STEM is, had a million reverse splits. Anyway, bottom line is this: is that eventually I could stand it no longer, and so when it did break a dollar, I did take the trade. I took the trade at $1.07. I sold some fairly quickly at $1.13, just in case it was going to actually. It must be right here. I took it right here because it did not. Yeah, I did not get below my buy. So took it on this candle here. Not possible. No, it's not possible. This is 15 minutes. I took it on this. You know what? Without actually looking at my time, I know I took it at $1.07. I sold some out at $1.13. I sold some at $1.35, and it was stopped. That might be on this candle here. It was stopped. Actually, it was halted. I got very lucky, I thought. And in fact, when I checked the bid and the ask, it wasn't very good. I thought, oh, when this reopens, it's going to collapse on me. It didn't, and it popped up to $1.52. So this must be the candle, yeah. Popped up to $1.52. I sold some more. It halted right there again, and then it came back down. And I thought, okay, I did a great job. But look what it's done since then. And I'm sure it's halted. I think it's been halted a couple more times right here. Anyway, that is obviously the trade of the day. I mean, a lot of us in our trading room took advantage of this one. Some were a lot earlier than me, and some have hung on, so more power to them. The only one I'm in right now is this FRGI, and maybe getting set to get out of it. This was a Holly trade. Now, Holly had how many trades today? There's a few trades today, but the risk off has been on all day, mainly because all these trades, the majority of the trades are all long trades. Holly, I think, tested for today about 11 long strategies and one short strategy. And in other words, when I say tested, I mean those are the ones that made the cut. Of course, Holly did not know that finally we were going to have a bit of a down day in the market. So the market's not collapsed or anything, but we're down 70 points. So that's why I thought that a lot of these trades would be suspect. And so this is one FRGI. This is the alert at 25.15, and you see how it came back down. I put an alert at the 24.15, and I got back into I never took the trade originally, and I took the trade at 24.20. So, we'll have to see what happens. It's pulling back just a little bit. My hope and desire is that it'll pop through 24.33 and maybe make a little bit of a run here. But the other one that worked out actually very well early for me was QURE. Still thinking about swinging this one. Now, I actually took the trade at 9:33 on this action right here. I'm going to show you what the daily looks like, and maybe you'll understand why I'm looking at this one. You look at this incredible void we've got all the way up here. So I looked at this one. I actually saw this one yesterday. This was a Holly alert yesterday. And so this is why I was tracking this one. So when it got to 9:33 again, I took the trade. And then right after that, actually this turned out to be a Holly alert and a little bit later at 9:49. So I actually sold some out though at 9:68 right up here. Get the 15. Yeah, I sold some up here at 9:68 and this was going to allow me to hold some and perhaps swing this one. But on this action right here, I decided to get out of my entire position actually at 9:40. And now I'm going to watch this one again. This could be just a day pullback. Like this could just be a day pullback because this is still a great void. Now the only problem is that the earnings are next week and or in a week, about 7 days. So that's the only problem with this one. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it. I had other trades, but really, I mean, to talk about other ones is very boring compared to the stem trade, and that's it. That's what everybody is so incredibly. See what stem is doing right now. Oh, anybody is talking about, of course, in our room. And I mean, it is just, these are the ones you dream of. I feel crazy, at trading it out at $1.55. But you do have to understand also that on the 5 minute, you see what happened. I mean, it came right back down to this level, and well, thought, okay, this is over. But I mean, look at this. I mean, what a move. Probably there was an argument. I'd even say, well, this is a little bit of a pullback argument to be made to take the trade here. But anyway, fantastic that a lot of people in our room are in this in this trade, making a lot of money, and that's what our room is all about. I mean, it certainly is not just about me telling you what to trade. We do have 4 webinars a week. We really try to support our product well with the webinars. And of course, I'm live on the mic all day long between 9 and 4 and sharing my screen. So it's a collaborative effort. So if this is the first time you're seeing this video, please come into the trading room. I mean, here's the address. Come into the room and enjoy the fun. All right, can't wait to get back into the room. So I'm going to cut this video a little bit short. Again, here's how to get in. And I usually open the room at about 8:45. That's when I start sharing my screen. And then I get live from 9 to 4 every day. If you want to take a subscription, again, here's the link to use. And there is a promo code. Once you decide what plan you want, we have 2 different plans. One's the GI Pro, one's TI Premium, which includes everything that we have to offer. Once you decide whatever plan you want, you click on the link and you will see the promo code and just type it into the promo box. Okay. Hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.